A commercial roof is a roofing system that is designed specifically for buildings used for commercial purposes, such as offices, stores, and warehouses. Unlike residential roofs, commercial roofs are often flat or have a very low slope, which requires different materials, installation techniques, and maintenance. We're more than just a local business. We're your neighbors. We understand the unique challenges facing commercial buildings in Surrey, and we've got experience dealing with it all. From relentless rain to gusting winds, we're well-versed in the roofing issues that come with our local weather. We're equipped to provide tailored solutions for all your commercial roofing needs. We use top-quality materials and state-of-the-art equipment to ensure a job well done every time. Whether it's repairing a minor leak or completely replacing a worn-out roof, we're here to help. Quality materials. We use only the best materials to ensure your roof can withstand the harshest weather. We understand that the roof is a vital part of your business building structure. Expert craftsmanship. Our team is composed of skilled craftsmen who take pride in their work. We're meticulous in our approach, ensuring every detail is handled with care. Tailored solutions. We don't believe in a one-size-fits-all approach. Every business building has its unique needs, and we're here to provide custom solutions that work best for you. We respect your business, understanding the crucial role it plays in your life, and we're here to help it thrive, come rain or shine.